Hey guys, Rachel here, and I am going to show you a Stratus. And it is raining outside, but I really found we just got some new RVs in that are stunning. They're coming out with all kinds of layouts, and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited to show you this one. It's a 2025. You guys, of course, let me know what you think. It's a smaller, it's a coach, so no bunks. But let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. Alright guys, we've got a Stratus. It is a 2025 model SR241VRK, so it has that rear kitchen. It's got a slide on this side. It is fiberglass, and it's got a nice long awning with 2 doors. Let's take a look inside. Of course, it's going to have the backup camera prep as well. You got your ladder back here as well. Let's go inside. All right. I love it. So on this side in our rear kitchen, we've got a beautiful, from one side to the other, kitchen area. So you got all that counter space. You've got beautiful cabinetry here. You've got a 3-burner, an oven, and your microwave as well. I love the backsplash. That is your cutting board, which Stratus tends to, they have cutting boards and different things that they provide, which I love that. You've got some more storage right up above and a beautiful window. Nice big sink as well. Love this. Very, very nice. And just plenty of room to do your thing as well. Then you got your, now this is a nice size fridge for this unit. I mean, plenty of space here to put all your goods. Nice little freezer on the bottom. And then you do have all of this right here. Now, those they're adjustable, so you can move them up and down wherever. Maybe you don't need all of that. Maybe, you know, wider spaces, smaller spaces, but you have options here, which I absolutely love. On this side, you've got a little bar table with some storage underneath as well. Love so it's a little table, but it's like long enough to actually enjoy food. You can actually have a seat, and actually you can put a desktop up here even if you work from home, which is really nice because that's sometimes what I do. So very nice. You've got theater seating with this longer theater seating, so I love that. Let's see if this comes down. Not sure. I would assume. There we go. Got cup holders. You got little chargers and outlets right there. Very, very nice. Let's see if this comes down. Not sure. I would assume. There we go. Got cup holders. You got a beautiful window in the back as well. And then right across you do have your entertainment. So very nice that it does swivel, so that if you're sitting right here, you can turn it that way. You've got a dinette with storage underneath. Of course, it can be a bed as well. It could be another couch. So just plenty of space here. But again, plenty of space here to walk around as well. You're not going to bump into each other. Through here, you've got a bathroom that goes from one side to the other. So plenty of space. Plenty of space. Nice counter, sink, storage on the top and on the bottom with a little cubby down there as well. But again, plenty of space. You're not going to bump your knees. And then you do have your master bedroom with storage all the way around. And this is where your door is right there as well. So cubbies on both sides. And then you do have lights up above, so if you're a reader, then you can read at night and your husband can sleep, or vice versa, however. But it's just comfy, but it's just so much room to walk around, so that is always nice. But what do you guys think of this cute little unit? I love it. I love the colors. And of course, I love this couch. It is super comfy, but I do want to know what you guys think. And if you want any information, of course, reach out. Feel free to call, text, or email. Come see me. However, but would love to help you guys out. All right. Until next time, guys.